Yeah.
Came from Lithuania.
Yeah.
Jonas Balasubas. A famous 7-footer that can dunk anyone.
Yeah, this Justin Bieber, by the way.
Please drink some beer, no problem. All good in the hood.
Huh?
Your beer.
Yeah, Troy.
And I have my name is Troy.
Hello, Manila, Philippines. Yes. Hi guys.
Cheers.
Cheers. Here with Justin Bieber.
Justin Bieber. Yo, what up?
Hello.
Where you from, sir?
Lithuania.
Jonas Balasunjas. Yeah, orale. By the way, sir, what is the best sport right now?
Yeah, basketball.
You said earlier drinking. We are not athletic, so that's why drinking. Okay. Sir, can you say all good?
All good.
In the hood.
In the hood.
I like it. This is the church that 7 times reconstruct, 8 times destroyed.
Why?
Many calamities, fire, earthquake, typhoon. Lastly, by the war. Lastly, because of that, 2 countries. Japanese and American.
Oh.
War. After we turok my guest, we drink some beer. Sabi niya, inom daw kami. Pala kami sa Port Santiago. Port Santiago. After ng tour, barbershop.
Yeah.
Zero yata gusto niyan eh. Oo. Huwag mo kalbuhin ha. Handsome. Welcome to the Intramuros Doll Series. Yeah, inom siya, inom. Sir, you enjoy?
Yes, very nice.
Drinking beer.
Very good guy Justin. Everybody come to Manila if you see him.
You became handsome na, ha?
Yes.
Hey,
Also, haircut.
yeah, haircut. Handsome
And
na.
some cold beer. Nice. What's up, guys? Here with my guy Justin. Troy. Can I show Vin Diesel too?
Vin Diesel.
Hey. Hello, guys.
This one.
Endangered.
This one, it's Mancanor.
Mancanor.
Yeah, Mancanor.
Drinking with the boys. Red horse.
Oh, my daughter.
Yeah.
Came from Lithuania. Jonas Balasubas. A famous 7-footer that can dunk anyone.
Yeah, this Justin Bieber, by the way.
Please drink some beer, no problem. All good in the hood.
Huh?
Your beer.
Yeah, Troy.
And I have my name is Troy.
Hello, Manila, Philippines. Yes.
I'm safe. Let's go with your car.
Thank you very much.
Sir, I hope you enjoy our tour.
Thank you very much. Justin, thanks a lot.
Yes.
I'll message you if I come back to Philippines for sure.
No problem, sir.
Thank you. Have a good day, yeah? Goodbye, Justin.
So yon, sa mga nagsasabing hindi safe sa Manila, hindi po totoo yon.